everyone, so today I'm going to unbox a thing that I got from Amazon for learning Korean. It's called Learn Korean with BTS, and the reason I bought it is because I'm studying Korean this year by myself, and I want to try and get as much information as I can about it and try and find some good study aids. And what I liked about this was it came in a set. Now, I won't have anybody to practice my pronunciation or communication with, so the reason I bought this is because it comes with a set of 4 books, and it comes with a talking pen. So, as you say, it's just arrived today. I'm unboxing it just now. It comes neatly packaged. It comes with a talking pen, a speaking pen, a book set, USB, and it comes with stickers. Now, I believe you can buy this off Weverse, but for some reason it wouldn't let me send here to where I'm currently living. So I bought it off Amazon. Now, I think I paid just under £100 UK, which may sound expensive, but where I am, the current classes for Korean are quite expensive as well. So I kind of balanced it out, and just decided to go ahead and buy this. It kind of covered everything that I needed to do. Now, this is just the unboxing. I obviously have no idea what actually is involved in the books. So once I figure that out, there will be a better video as I go through it. Now, I'm also learning other languages, so I'm going to start putting things up on the channel about what I'm learning and how I'm learning it. It is all going to be self-taught, so I am in no way going to be an expert. This is just what I'm finding the easiest way to do. So as you can see, it comes with currently 4 books. I'm assuming you'll progress by each book as you go along. And the books look really quite good. They're quite sturdy, quite thick. You can get an option, you get to write in them as well as, listen to them and speak. So I think it's very good value for money. And you also get stickers for your keyboard, which look really, really good. Now, I'll probably be using them at some point to type on documents, which I'm hoping is the aim goal. Now, here is the speaking pen. Now, I'm not really sure. I think you just open it up, and I think it just comes with the charger. Now, hopefully it's got some charge in it. I'll probably give it a go and see if there is any charge. Otherwise, I might have to charge it, which just seems a simple plug in and charge. So let's see if there's anything on it now. Wow, this is so cool. So that's a greeting from BTS. So here's just the charger. So you would just plug this into the side. I'm assuming there's a wee slot. Yeah, you just plug it into the side, and I'll probably just stick this into the back of my computer to charge it, or into a USB plug if you've got one. I'm not going to charge it now. What I'll do is I'll just see how long. It takes a wee bit to pull out. I'll see how long it lasts on what the current charge is now, and then if need be, I'll give it a charge later on and see how it goes. So that's a quick unboxing. So there we go. We've got the 4 books for BTS, the pen, and the stickers. So I'm going to go away and have a shot of this and just see what exactly it does. I think it's going to be quite self-explanatory. I'm assuming it'll be highlighted with different things. So let's just have a quick wee look now. So the first bit is obviously just an introduction. Now, the reason I like this is because it comes in different languages. Now, I'm learning Japanese, Spanish as well. And that gives you that option there to have these different ones. So
한글은 한국어의 문자 체계이다. 조선의 세종대왕은 한국어의 소리를 바르게 표기하고 많은 사람들이 배우고 쓸 수 있게 하기 위하여 고유의 문자를 창제하고 주요 표현을 확인해 보세요.
So there we go. It looks like it's just basically going to be a point and shoot. So I'm going to go and learn about this, and I will give you an update on a follow-up video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more if you want to see it. Thank you. Bye.